We always love customers, but what we want to have is we want them to have a great experience. And one thing that could ruin this chicken's day is putting clothes in a washer and they come out dirtier than when they went in. And that happens when people run oily clothes and dyed things through your machines. In this video, I'm going to show you a product I use to clean out my washers, especially my agitators and my top loaders, which are notorious for getting oily stuff stuck to them. So stick around. Hey, I'm going to show you one of the things that will happen in your laundromat. See how you get grease on the agitator? I don't know how it happens. I mean, I don't know if people just take a grease gun and dump it in the wash or what, but it'll come off people's clothes, and the next customer, they're not going to like this. They're gonna hate this. So I'm going to show you a way to take this off the easy way so that you don't have the problem. Now, I know I talk about thinking outside the box, and here's a prime example. If you know what Super Clean is mainly in the automotive industry for cleaning cars, cleaning engines, cleaning parts. I use it in my parts washer at home for farm equipment and my own personal equipment, and I love it. It's very cheap, it's easy to use, it's very environmentally friendly. I'm going to show you how well it works on washing machines because we already use it here, and we use it not for what it's intended, we use it for other things, and it works out great. So let's get started. Now we're going to spray this part with the aerosol spray foam, which I like this a lot better, just because it covers better. I like to use a spatula or a putty knife or whatever, so that even though, because a lot of this is thick, so you don't waste your time scrubbing most of it. Now see, I didn't spray that pass, and you see how much harder it is? See, I'm not getting it as good. I didn't spray this. This is like my control. Now we're just going to take a rag. I'm not going to get crazy. I'm just going to dry it off a little bit so you can see what it did. See this one? It's dragging through it. Then look what happens right here. Taking it all off again. I'm not even going to scrape this. Normally I would. Where I've sprayed it, it's just peeling it right off. Look at that. And some of this is actually staining stainless steel a little bit because it's been on there so long. See in here, I didn't spray it. It's not wiping off. All right, the three things I've got here is Super Clean's foaming degreaser, the regular spray degreaser, and then an aerosol degreaser. I mean, like I said, it's super friendly. It doesn't stink. It isn't going to smell like you just have paint thinner. It isn't going to give any fumes off. Your customers won't even know you use it. Okay, I'm going to show you one of the things that will happen in your laundromat. See how you get grease on the agitator? I don't know how it happens. I mean, I don't know if people just take a grease gun and dump it in the wash or what, but it'll come off people's clothes, and the next customer, they're not going to like this. They're going to hate this. So I'm going to show you a way to take this off the easy way so that you don't have the problem. I have used different types of like PB Blaster, WD-40, they will take it off, but they leave a film on there, so you have to run the washer a couple times because that oil will get on people's clothes. But if you use this product, you don't have to do that. It's a cleaner, so it cleans it, and then you just run the wash real quick. We simply just spray it on and just wipe it off. Clean be. And I'll show you. You just use a rag, you're just going to smear it around. I use oil dry to pick up soap. Now this is super helpful when it's on the floor. Look at that. Just picks up and basically just like picking up dust. The real reason I like to use it is because when people spill soap on the floor, I mean, and I'll track it around, what I can do is come in with the oil dry, floor absorbent, just shake it on it. We just pick it up. With the Super Clean, hit it a couple times.